Let's keep it real for a second. You're not struggling because of bad luck, not because someone's out to get you or the world is against you. It's because there's one person who keeps letting you down. And that's you. Yep, I said it, you. Stop breaking promises to yourself. How many mornings have you committed to waking up early, hitting the gym, eating right, or finally chasing that dream? And how many of those mornings end with you telling yourself, tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow? Listen, every time you break a promise to yourself, you're losing trust, not with other people, but with you. And trust me, losing trust in yourself is the root of every confidence issue, every insecurity, every fear of failure stopping you from living the life you want. So here's how you break the cycle. First, start small. No, you don't have to climb a mountain before breakfast. Choose one thing, one promise you can absolutely keep every single day. Got it? Then show up. Do it. No excuses. Day after day after day. Second, stop seeking perfection. Here's what no one tells you. Perfection isn't what builds trust. Consistency does. The grind is messy, imperfect, and full of setbacks. But showing up every day, even when it's hard, fuels the fire that keeps you going. Finally, forgive yourself for the past, but don't let it define you. So you broke a promise yesterday. That doesn't mean you have to break one today. Today is your reset button. Trust yourself. Commit to yourself. Keep the promises you make to you. Because when you start trusting yourself, one small promise at a time, you're damn near unstoppable. Fuel the fire. You've got this.